clear skin naturally, effective home remedies to eliminate blackheads. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into natural ways to get rid of those pesky blackheads on your face and nose. No harsh chemicals, just simple, effective remedies from your kitchen. Blackheads form when your pores become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. They can be a nuisance, but you don't need expensive treatments to banish them. Let's start with a classic remedy, honey. Honey's antibacterial properties help cleanse your skin. Apply a thin layer to your nose and leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Next up is baking soda. This household staple works wonders as an exfoliant. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water to form a paste. Gently massage onto your skin and rinse thoroughly. Another fantastic ingredient is lemon juice. Its natural acidity helps unclog pores. Dab fresh lemon juice on the affected areas using a cotton ball. Let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse with cool water. Don't underestimate the power of green tea. Brew a cup and let it cool. Use a cotton pad to apply the tea to your skin. The antioxidants will help reduce inflammation and clear those blackheads. Aloe vera is a soothing option. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling. Apply pure aloe vera gel to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes and wash off gently. Steam can be your best friend. Boil water and place your face over the steam, covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. This opens up your pores, making it easier to remove blackheads. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast. It's a gentle exfoliant that helps absorb excess oil. Mix oatmeal with yogurt to create a mask, apply to your face, and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. Apple cider vinegar is another hero. Its antibacterial properties help cleanse and tighten pores. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, apply with a cotton ball, and let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing off. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Create a paste with turmeric powder and water. Apply it to your blackheads. Leave it for 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Egg whites are a natural remedy for tightening pores. Beat an egg white, apply it to your face, let it dry, and then peel it off gently to lift away blackheads. Clay masks are excellent for absorbing oil and impurities. Bentonite clay mixed with water forms a powerful mask. Apply to your face, let it dry, and rinse off with warm water. Regular exfoliation is key. Use a gentle scrub made from sugar and coconut oil. Massage your skin in circular motions to remove dead cells and unclog pores, then rinse off. Finally, remember to moisturize. Natural oils like jojoba or argan oil can keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. Apply a few drops after your blackhead treatment. That's it for today's video. We hope these natural remedies help you achieve clear, blackhead-free skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your results in the comments. Thank you for watching.